Recording also on. Fine. So I'll have introduction session just after a few slides. So let me begin with that. So very good afternoon to all of you. And this is the beginning of the 35 contact hours program, which is mandatory from the PMI. So that the advantage of this is that at least you know how to study it, and then you'll not have any confusion when you do your preparation. So it will become a fast track program. Otherwise, was very difficult to read so many books and all. So we'll guide you each and everything for the examination, so that if you do a small practice on that, you'll be ready for the examination. So that please have some discipline also, because all our members are there. No, please mute your system whenever you're talking to somebody. Please mute your system, please. Right, this is my personal request, because you'll be having a lot of other engagements. Otherwise, I have to mute. It will distract me. Fine. So this is the beginning of this one, and the purpose of this course is not only for the project management professional. It is about the best practices in the area of consulting. It is the area of the management of projects. It is the area of the governance of the project. This is applicable in all the areas. So this course is little more than the normal doing the project or something like coordinating the project. And it has a following advantage, like for example, globally recognition is there. There are so many other courses like Prince2 and Google project management. So many things are there. But PMI has got a recognition. So in any country, anybody you're talking to that, it is good. Naturally, salary-wise, some potential is there. Your credibility also increases. Your job opportunities also increases. You get a strong project management skills. So when you do a project, you'll be more comfortable. That's the advantage here. And your marketability is also will be increased. And since PMI talks about globally the same language and all, your professional network, you can always connect people and get some more knowledge. And your project success rate, which is very important. And when you're doing the project, it might get delayed, it might have an overdraft, over cost, something is there. So if you have a proper system and you know about that, it might improve it. Experience, people will not validate your experience, because when you are PMP, they know that you have done something. And for leadership also, it will be good. So overall, why I'm telling you this story is that, while doing it, you are learning a lot. And from my side, I will try to tell you that it's not only the passing the PMP examination, it is something more. You should be aware of that. Otherwise, if you feel that my duty is only to pass the examination, probably you will be missing something. So this, unless you have a knowledge of the project, it will be difficult to attend the examination also. So knowledge is important. Make sure you are learning for your knowledge as well as the PMP also, not only PMP. Right. Finally, the objective is to get something like that. This is called PMP. About myself, my name is Rakesh Pant, and I'm PMP certified, certified Scrum Masters and Scaled Agile Framework. Additionally, I am also a ATP PMP instructor authorized from the PMI, and this is my badge for special cases for the person who is trainer. Not all the trainers, but a few trainers globally, they have this certificate also. 3,000 plus student. I'm teaching since 2006 onward, 18 plus years. So I have a regular batch like you people on a regular basis. So I get a lot of knowledge from you, and I try to make sure that you people pass in a better way. A lot of research was done, and finally, the way this course has been taken, it is really helping people, because I know you people are very busy. So time management is also important. So I take care of that. 30 plus years experience in IT, mainly in the North America, India, and the Middle East. I worked in various places and worked as a chief strategy officer, program management, project management, work also as a PO head, as IT head also. And though my area was digitization of the various domain, but I got a chance to work in healthcare industry with mainly primarily for digitization only for IT side, government, manufacturing, and construction also. I spent time in doing digitization for this company, and agriculture and automotive sectors also. What I was seeing it from your list also, that a lot of people are from IT, people are from instrumentation for civil construction, procurement, or something like that. We'll see. Based on my experience, definitely I try to help you in all. And my presence is mainly I'm in Bangalore, but I spend a lot of time in Toronto, Manama, Bahrain, and Uttarakhand also, and I take classes from there also normally. So this is my small introduction.